Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's mine. If you're new, I have some older videos I'll link below in the description box so that you can catch up with some of the makeup I've been doing lately. Today I'm going to be filming a simple Valentine's Day look. It's going to be simple eyeshadow, maybe a winged liner, and just a bold red lip. This is something you can wear out on a date, or if you're just like staying in and having dinner with your boyfriend or girlfriend, then do your makeup if you want and look pretty. And this is really simple and you can do it without foundation. I'm going to show you guys my little glam. It's going to be simple look, but I'm going to do full foundation. I'm going to do a little bit of bronzing, but you guys don't have to do that. This look would be really nice on its own with just the eyeshadow and the bold red lip. So if you want to see how I went from this to this, then keep on watching, guys. Okay, so I zoomed you in a little bit. I already primed my face with the Maybelline HD. I'm going to leave it in the description box because I can't remember. So I'm going to conceal my face first. I know that sounds a little bit weird, but I want to do that because lately when I've been concealing over my foundation, I just got this foundation. For some reason, I think it's the concealer that I'm using. It's the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I've been putting that over my foundation and it just feels like it's snatching my foundation off, and it's too expensive to be doing that. So I'm going to conceal underneath. And I have this really big, I don't know what happened, but I had that really thick, I had a cut or scrape or something on my nose. And I just want to cover that up. And I also have really big bags because I'm really tired. Now, you don't have to do this, but if you have really dark circles and big bags that you want to hide too, then feel free to do this. Now, I'm looking into my mirror. I'm sorry, I can't look into the camera and do my makeup because it's hard for me. I don't know what to look at. I decided to do a talk through tutorial because I don't know, I like doing the voiceover ones, but it's honestly not as fun. So I already have a damp beauty blender and I'm just gonna buff that in, blend it in, I don't know, bounce it. It's hard to talk and do this at the same time, so pardon me. See how it kind of covers up my freckles too? I'm not ashamed of the freckles, I love them. It's honestly my favorite part about my face. But when I'm putting on foundation, I don't know why, I'm a high coverage person. I like lots of coverage. And I don't want to see my freckles, that's what I'm going for. It's not because I don't like them. This is the NYX HD Photogenic concealer. I just want to see if it'll cover it up a little bit more. I am putting on foundation. I know this seems crazy. You guys don't have to do this part, but honestly, my sister thinks that I could do without the concealer when I use this foundation because it's so high coverage. But I'm just going to show you. I have another foundation. I don't really know how good of comparison it is because I don't know if you've ever seen this one. It's at Shoppers Drug Mart, and this is the Jouer one that I just got. They are considerably different sizes. I go through this one fairly quickly when I'm using it because I use a lot. I don't know. To get the look I get with this, with like 2 drops, 2 tiny drops, I need to use like 1, 2, 3 pumps, maybe a 4th one. I don't really know. It feels like a lot anyways, but I'm going to show you guys when I put this on my little, I don't put it on the back of my hand anymore since I started watching a lot of YouTube videos and I see they put it down on something. I'm like, that's so much nicer. Been getting it all over the back of my hand. I'm really I'm not hyper or anything, but I sound like I am. It's better than being uncomfortable. We're just gonna try 2 full pumps and see what it gets us, because I'm just gonna go for it. It's probably too much. This is 2 full pumps. You can see it's kind of liquidy yeah, it's gonna run a bit and I just don't want to waste it, so I'm just too scared. So I'm gonna get it on my beauty blender, the bottom of it. This is my bigger one. I'm gonna look down into this mirror. I'm probably looking just like all over. I'm sorry for the darty eyes, but I'm gonna show you guys what this does. It's blending so nice for me today. So, I know I haven't done like right here, but it's just so nice. So I'm going in with a tiny beauty blender and my Marcel face powder. It says it's ultra light loose powder, even skin tone, and allows makeup to last longer. Its mattifying formula absorbs excess sebum and leaves skin looking natural. I don't know what sebum is, and I hope I'm pronouncing it right. I don't know. I noticed that this is really nice because I picked like a translucent. Let me just, before I lie, yes, I picked translucent. It does like go nice to my natural skin color. Like, it evens my skin tone, I guess, is what I really am trying to say. So, just gonna let that bake. Going to do my eyebrows off camera, and I will be back. Okay, I zoomed you guys really close in. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeshadow. So this is just a simple look. I picked up just like a light brown for my transition color. I'm just blending that in, sweeping it across, and then doing like little circles. And pick up a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna grab a darker color. I'm gonna put that in the crease. And I'm gonna blend it out to here too. Making like kind of like a swoop. Now that looks messy, like it's a lot of pigment, and I'm just gonna blend it out. It's a darker brown, so grabbing that bigger fluffy brush, I picked up like a light brown first, then a dark brown in the crease, and then the gold on top, and I blended that out. And I'm just gonna go in with a small brush. I wasn't even in the camera shot, no, when I was doing my eyes. So I'm putting the eyeshadow underneath and trying to blend it out, blend it up. That is that part, and now I'm just gonna put a little bit of highlight. Okay, now I'm just gonna do my inner corner. So this is the eyeshadow look. I'm pretty excited about it. I'm gonna put my eyeshadow palette away. I'm gonna put the brushes away. And I am going to move on to bronze with the Physicians Formula bronzer, butter bronzer. And I am in light bronzer. I considered getting the darker one just because I'm able to layer it up. I figure, well, wouldn't it be easier if I got the other one? Sorry, it just smells so good. But I like that I can layer it up and I can choose, you know, if I want a lighter bronzer or heavier. I like using this brush because it's like got an angle to it. Just fits on my face really nice. I'm going to highlight with my favorite highlighter right now, which is an eyeshadow. To highlight my nose. Whew. Girl. So I just finished putting mascara and lashes on, and I actually had to add a little bit of liner just here because it looks kind of funny if I don't when I'm wearing fake lashes. I'm sure if you're just putting on mascara you won't have that problem, but if you're brave enough or good at a wing liner, you can go ahead and just add a wing liner because this look would probably look really nice with one. I'm just not that brave, and I really like how this is looking. It's just simple, it's not too bold. I really want like the bold red lip to be the main focus of this look, so that's why I just want a simple eyeshadow. So I'm going to go ahead and just line my lips with this. So that's all I'm going to do with that because I'm pretty fed up with it. That is enough for the outline. So I'm going to go in with the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Lip Velvet Finish. It is like a liquid lip and it dries matte, and this color is Fight Free, and it is a red. It is just so beautiful. So hopefully it's in focus. I've had to film this a few times, but this is what I came up with for my Valentine's Day look. I'm sure you could wear this like on any date night. I think it's really nice, just a soft neutral eye with a little bit of gold reflect. Oh, beautiful. And then the red bold statement look, it's just like, you just look beautiful. I think everyone looks beautiful with this kind of look on, like a red lip and a neutral eye. It's just the best. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching this video. It really means a lot that the few people who have been watching my videos lately have been like really enjoying them. I've had like some good constructive criticism too, because I really want to do good at this. I want my lighting to get better. I'm really struggling with like the camera focusing for some reason at the end of my videos. I don't know if it's because my face is a lot whiter or something. So I just want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for watching this video, and I will see you guys next week. Thank you for watching. Bye.